Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. We're going to be looking at an update on this 4-bedroom HMO conversion that we're doing at the moment. There's been massive amount of progress, which is great. Let's jump inside and have a look at what's been going on. Welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property. Let's jump inside. Okay, so we're in the kitchen communal at the moment. So we've just had the first fix electrics completed. We've also had the first fix plumbing completed as well. The last time we were here, we just started the first fix electrics and plumbing, and then we had lockdown happen, unfortunately. So we couldn't actually finish everything. We had to get off site, and obviously we had lack of stock to finish. But what we have had massive progression on in here is we've had all the actual joinery done. With regards to our actual partition walls done for the actual rooms. So we're going to have a look at that as well. But mainly in here, what has been done is we've got the actual broken through the wall. So originally the doorway was over here. This went into the kitchen. This is now going to be a kitchen communal area. So we're going to have the actual kitchen units go along this wall. We've got the cooker, we've got the actual fridge freezer that's going to be over here as well. That's going to enable us to have enough space over here to have this as a nice communal area, enough seating for everyone, but also enough cupboard space to meet HMO regulations. Now bear in mind that HMO regulations and licensing is not needed on a 4-bedroom property, okay? The reason for that specifically in this area is because obviously the regulations state at the moment is regardless of how many floors you have, as long as it's 5 or more different people from a different household staying in a property, you don't need a HMO license for that. So we don't need the licensing, but we still keep to regulation as it was a license. That's important because it means that we meet all fire regulations is important as well. So making sure that you've got a quality investment. Let's jump into the rear of the property so you can see what's been happening in there.
So another thing what you'll find is we've actually got the stairs where we've actually strengthened the stairs because we're quite weak. And then what we've actually done is we've been able to bring the doorway, so this is going to be a actual storage cupboard. So we're able to create an extra 6 inches of space for storage space, but the main thing is strengthening those stairs. Now they're solid as a rock, which is exactly what we want.
Okay, so we're in the rear of the property at the moment. This is bedroom number 2 of 4. And what's been done in here, we've got the partition walls been put up, plasterboarding been done as well. This is for the ensuite, and everything is pretty much been done, ready for now to the next stage of the build, so plasterers to come in. The only thing we're waiting for is obviously the windows to be delivered, so we can obviously get the windows replaced. So we need to obviously put a fire exit window in here as well, which is going to go here. There's going to be loads of light let into this room. It's going to be a double bedroom with the ensuite as well. What we have done is obviously we've made sure we've fireboarded the roof as well, just because the communal area is going to be just behind the camera there where we were just before. We obviously need to do that for regulation purposes, so there's obviously the fire doesn't spread above and it's contained in the room if it got into here for whatever reason, okay? Let's jump upstairs and see what's been happening over there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 3, which is the rear of the property here. You'll notice obviously we've got first fix electrics that have been all completed. We've also got all the piping that's coming as well. Just beyond there is the actual ensuite that's going in to the bedroom number 4. We've still got plasterboarding finishing here. There's quite a bit of a mess in here at the moment. The guys are just actually on their lunch break, so they obviously sorting out gallows brackets for the chimney support. Just finishing that off and obviously clearing out the loft with anything that's not necessary in there. But what's other happened is they've got the loft hatch in here as well, and they've had to expand that, so they've expanded the loft hatch as well, so it's easy to get into here as well, okay? Every single bedroom we make sure we put, obviously we've got a TV aerial and obviously TV socket, so it's all sunk, so it looks like the TV's hanging on the wall once it's finished. It looks great. Let's jump into bedroom number 4 so you can see what's been happening there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 4 at the moment. Everything's pretty much ready to go in here. We've still got some plasterboarding that needs to be finished. That will be finished today. as long as with the gallo brackets, the guys are just finishing that off at the moment. But what we are focusing on is making sure we get everything ready for plaster, so that'll be done by the end of today, and then the plasters will go in. That'll take a couple of days to be able to do that, and then we'll obviously need the plasters to dry out, okay? So before decorators can come in, obviously the next phase of the build as well. So make sure you keep out for Refurb Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you can actually watch and keep up to date on future Refurb Wednesdays. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out Deals Friday, where we break down the numbers of this deal so you can see exactly how you can make money and profit from UK property with minimal time effort. Thanks very much for watching. If you guys want to profit from UK property, but you just don't have the time to be able to do it, you've got the capital to invest, but you want a team that's experienced to be able to do this all for you, so you don't have to worry about the refurbs, the finding the properties, the project management of everything, and then the lettings of the property, then simply head to jenicproperty.com. That's jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team to help you profit from UK property with minimal time effort. We'll look at your strategy and what your goals are and how we can progress you forward with minimal time effort. So if you've got a busy job at the moment and you love what you do, but you know that you need to secure your family's retirement so you can actually start replacing your income, redefine your retirement one property at a time, then head to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, where you can actually keep up to future refurbs, and I'll speak to you all soon. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property with minimal time effort.